Okay, everyone, it's been a while. It's very windy out right now. Thanksgiving Day, and we're out on the creek right now, and I'm gonna see if I can catch some fish. Yesterday they were not biting at all, but I came out when it was very cold. So we're gonna put on some bait real quick and see if we can catch a fish. But it's been a while since I've uploaded on this channel, but we're gonna go ahead and see if we can revive this channel. I'll try to, I might start uploading, like, I'm gonna try to put out like this video, and maybe later on in December I'll put out a video. But let's go ahead and put on this bait right here. It's very windy out. Okay, the water is clear. It rained this morning, so we'll see. It's very windy out, as you can hear probably. I'm not sure, but throw our first piece of thing up in there. Ooh, I had something on there. He was nibbling. He was nibbling on it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I upgraded the combo. I've got instead of that big rod stick that I had, I have a ultralight now. Not the most expensive ultralight, but it definitely gets the job done. Like, it's pretty good compared to that big stick I was using last winter. It was a fold-up rod that I was using. Oh, stabbed myself. Okay. All right, second cast in. The first fish of the day I felt biting. Ah. Let's see so we can get something to eat this. I don't know. I don't know. I thought I was feeling bites, but maybe not. Let me see if I can see like a fish or something chase. I don't know. Well, there's a fish, like a little minnow, but I'll cut back if I catch anything. Okay, I just had a big bite. All right, I'm going to try to see if I can get a good cast like I just did. Okay, not quite where I wanted it, but something big just went. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. Crazy windy. Fish off. I knew there was a good one here. Yes. Okay. I've caught three ones like this. Oh my goodness, he's so aggressive. Holy crap. Okay. Hook is out the mouth. Look at this boy. Here. Good one. Alright. There you go. Slowly reel it. Bump it, bump it. Ooh, something's on it. I might be stuck on like a something. Alright, that's the last cast of the video. Thanks for watching, and